Sourcing and processing raw materials from vendors for urgent repairs can introduce delays and add additional costs in a situation where speed and cost are critical. At Team, we've invested in the industry's most sophisticated supply chain solution and in-house equipment to avoid delays when progressing repairs. When we get the call, we need to be straight out of the starting blocks, not ordering long lead time materials. Here at Team, we purchase direct from US steel mills in very large quantities to ensure we have the best levels of inventory in our industry. We hold carbon steel, chrome and stainless steel in thicknesses up to 8 inches in-house. We also have the ability to cut and bend all raw materials in-house immediately using CNC oxy-fuel cutters, CNC plasma cutters and brake presses to process carbon steel and chrome up to 8 inch and stainless up to 6 inch. This investment in our ability to respond immediately allows Team to support our clients in maximizing plant utilization and avoiding releases to the environment.